Hello everybody, today we are here to check again our hives. We have a -8 degrees outside this night, so I want to check how are the bees. And for that I want to try again the stethoscope, but this time I will take this piece, the end, down, and I will just use it like that. So yeah, it's easy, it's not hard to eliminate. And the end will be like this. Sorry, I have only one hand. Yes, I can hear them. They are okay. Yes, they are okay. Oh ho ho. Wow, actually works way much better with this. Yes, they are okay. So this is working way much better. Thank you, Backyard Bees, because it was your suggestion, and yeah, it works. It failed at first time, but thanks to YouTube, I got it. Bye bye, see you later.